Don't get fooled by those gurus who tell you that you need to embrace your feminine energy, become the goddess you are, and you will be wealthy. Real money can only be built on the masculine energy. So if this is your goal, you need to cultivate both, embrace your inner man, and go out into the big world and fight for what you want. Of course, it all comes with a price. Life has its way to balance things. The stronger you are, the weaker man will be attracted to you. If you grow your own pair of steel balls, everyone that surrounds you won't need them. The only way to have it all is to learn to cultivate all those energy and learn to bring it into harmony in your own way under your conditions. And don't wait for the life to balance it. In daytime, when you need to have work done, you step into the masculine, you go kill a dragon, and when you come home, you step into the feminine energy, you embrace that inner goddess, and you allow your man to be a man, and you will have it all.